Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. Hello, everybody. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. We have a really fun topic. But before we start, Rachel, what should they do?
Oh, yes. Please, if you like our conversations, take a second to click like.
It really helps our channel grow. And if you are new, click subscribe.
Yes, when you subscribe, you get all our new episodes. We talk every week. And share it with your friends and family.
Everyone who wants to learn English. Okay, Rachel, what is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about something very exciting. Travel.
Travel. Going on vacation, seeing new places. I love to travel.
Me too. But Charles, for an English learner, travel can be scary.
Yes, that's true. You are in a new country. You need to speak. It can feel stressful.
Yes, stressful is the perfect word. You worry, will people understand me?
Will I understand them?
What if I make a mistake?
Exactly. So today our topic is how to use English for travel and not be stressed. How to speak with confidence.
Stress-free travel. That sounds wonderful.
It is possible. The first big idea, the most important idea,
Yes?
you do not need perfect English to travel.
Oh, that's a big idea.
It is. You don't need to be C1. You just need simple, good enough English.
Good enough?
Yes. Think about it. When you are at an airport, or in a hotel, or in a shop, the people there are not English teachers.
That's true. They are not grading your grammar.
No, they are busy. They just want to help you. They want to give you your room key or sell you the ticket.
They just want to understand what you want.
Exactly. The goal is communication, not perfection.
I love that. Communication, not perfection. That takes the stress away already.
Right? So what if you don't understand? This is the number one fear. What if someone speaks too fast?
Oh, yes. At the check-in desk or the waiter, they speak so fast.
So you need one or two magic phrases.
Magic phrases. Ooh, I like that.
My favorite one is, sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?
That is a great sentence. Can you speak more slowly, please?
It's polite, and it works 100% of the time. People will stop, breathe, and speak more slowly for you.
That's so useful. What's another magic phrase?
Just, sorry, I don't understand.
Oh, is that okay to just say, I don't understand?
Yes, it's honest. It's much better than just smiling and nodding yes.
I do that sometimes. Someone speaks fast, I don't understand, and I just nod, yes, yes.
And then you have a problem. Maybe you said yes to something you didn't want.
That's true. Okay, so I can say, sorry, I don't understand.
Or can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please? Good. Okay, I have my magic phrases. I am feeling more confident.
Good. So, let's travel. Where do we go first?
The airport. The big, busy airport.
It's okay. We can do it. You go to the check-in desk. What do you need?
My passport.
Yes. And you can say, "Hello, I have a flight to London."
Simple. Hello, I am flying to...
The person will probably ask, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
Ah, check in. A big bag for the airplane.
Yes. You can just say, "Yes, one bag."
Yes, one bag. Or, no, just this small bag.
See? 2 words. One bag. No. That is perfect communication.
And then they give me my ticket, my boarding pass.
Yes. And you can ask, "Where is the gate?"
Where is the gate? That's a good question. Or, where is the bathroom?
Always the most important question. Where is the is a great pattern.
Okay, airport, check. That was not so hard.
Not at all. Now, we are in the new country. We take a taxi. We go to the hotel.
The hotel. Okay, I go to the front desk.
And you say, "Hello, I have a reservation."
Perfect. Reservation is a great word. My name is Rachel.
And they give you my room key.
Yes. But wait, you need to ask some questions.
Oh, yes, the most important question. The internet.
Of course. How do you ask?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
Excellent. What is the Wi-Fi password? What else?
Breakfast. I love hotel breakfast.
Me too.
What time is breakfast?
Great. What time is that pattern again?
What time is checkout?
What time does the pool close?
Yes, where's the gym? See? These are all simple "where is" and "what time is" questions. You can do this.
I can. Okay, I am in my room. I am happy. Now I am hungry.
My favorite part of travel, the food.
Yes. We go to a restaurant, but the menu is in English, and it has so many words I don't know.
Sautéed, braised, pan-seared.
Ah, too hard. What do I do?
First, you get the menu. You say to the waiter, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? Okay.
Then you look. You are confused. It's okay.
I am very confused.
You can ask the waiter, "What do you recommend?"
Recommend? What does that mean?
It means, "What do you suggest?" or "What food is good here?"
Ah, what do you recommend? That's smart. The waiter knows the food.
Yes. Or if that feels too hard, you can just point.
Point? With my finger? Is that polite?
Of course. You just smile, point at the menu, and say, "I would like this, please."
Oh, I would like. That's a wonderful, polite phrase.
Yes, I would like the chicken, please. I would like a glass of water, please.
Please. Using please and thank you is very important.
So important, it makes people want to help you.
Okay. I eat my food. It is delicious. Now I want to pay.
You get the waiter's attention and you say,
The bill, please?
"Perfect. The bill, please." Or, "Can I have the check, please?"
Check or bill. Both are okay.
Yes, in America, check is more common. In the UK, bill is more common. But everyone understands both.
Great. Wow, Charles. Airport, hotel, restaurant, you make it sound easy.
It is easy. The problem is not the English. The problem is the fear.
You are right. I remember my first trip to New York City many years ago.
Oh, really?
Yes, my English was not good. I was so nervous. I was in a small shop, a bodega. I just wanted a bottle of water.
Okay, simple.
I practiced the sentence in my head. Hello, can I have one bottle of water, please?
That is a perfect sentence, Rachel.
I know. I went to the man and I said it. Hello, can I have one bottle of water, please?
And?
He smiled and said, sparkling or still?
Oh, no!
I just froze. I had no idea what sparkling or still meant. I felt my face get hot.
What did you do?
I just stared. And then I said, water? He was very nice. He pointed. He said, this water makes a psh sound. Bubbles? Or this water, no bubbles?
Ah, he helped you.
He did. I said, oh, no bubbles, please, no bubbles. And he gave me the still water.
That is the perfect story.
Why? I was so embarrassed.
Because you made a mistake. You didn't understand. But what happened?
Well, I got my water.
You got your water. Communication happened. He helped you. You used simple words like no bubbles. And it was okay.
It was okay. He was nice. And I learned 2 new words, sparkling and still.
Exactly. Travel is the best English teacher. Every time you buy a coffee or ask for a ticket, you are learning.
That's a beautiful way to think about it. It's not a test, it's practice.
Yes. So, one last tip before you travel.
What is it?
Prepare a little. Not a big grammar book.
Okay, no grammar book.
Prepare your sentences.
What do you mean, my sentences?
Think about your trip. What do you need to say? For example, I am a vegetarian.
Oh, right.
So, my important sentence is, does this have meat in it? I practice that sentence.
Ah, that's so smart. I am allergic to nuts.
So, your sentence is,
Does this have nuts? I am very allergic.
perfect. Write 5 or 10 sentences that you will need. Put them in your phone.
Where is the train station?
How much is this?
I would like to buy a ticket to...
Yes, when you have your special sentences ready, you feel so much more confident.
That is the best tip, Charles. I will do that for my next trip.
Good. Are you feeling less stressed about travel English?
I am. I feel excited. I feel ready.
Good. Let's do a very fast review of the big ideas.
Okay, a mini recap.
Tip number 1, the big mindset change.
The goal is communication, not perfection. It is okay to make mistakes.
Yes, people will help you. And be polite. Please, thank you, and a smile.
Tip number 2.
Learn your magic phrases for when you don't understand.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Tip number 3.
Prepare your 5 or 10 special sentences before you go.
Yes, the sentences you will need. I would like. Where is? How much is?
That's it. It's simple, but it changes everything.
It really does. Don't let your fear of bad English stop you from seeing the world.
Yes, a vacation is a vacation. It is not an English exam.
Exactly. And every time you try, every time you speak, you get better.
You are learning, you are growing, and you are having fun. Believe in yourself.
You can do it.
Wow, that was a great conversation, Charles. Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you all for listening to English on the Way.
We hope this helps you feel more excited and confident for your next trip.
Please, if you liked this episode, click like, and don't forget to subscribe. We have new, helpful conversations for you every week.
Yes, and share this with a friend who is planning a trip.
Ooh, and for today's comment, Rachel, what's a good question?
Let's ask, where do you want to travel?
Oh, I love that. Yes. Tell us in the comments, what country or what city do you want to visit one day?
We would love to read your answers. We read all of the comments.
We do. Thank you for listening, everyone. Keep practicing.
And have fun on your English journey. Bye-bye.
See you in the next episode. Bye.